Hi, this is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this C++ course. In this very short lecture, I am going to tell you about two IDEs which are very popular for writing C++ programs. In fact, there are many IDEs for writing C++ programs which I have discussed in my course on C programming on Udemy itself. Now see, the first IDE I am going to talk about is code block. Installing code block is quite easy. You can simply go to the Google and search free download of code block. You will see many URLs. I have enlisted one such URL, which is codeblocks.en.up2down.com/windows. So you can install from other sites also. See, code block is the most popular and simple IDE for C++. It has been designed to be very extensible and configurable. Code block features can be extended with many plugins. So once you have installed code block, later on you can go for some plugins also which are available on the internet. Now, the next in line is dev C++. It is also very popular IDE for writing C and C++ programs. In fact, in my course on C programming, I have used dev C++. Whereas in this course of C++, I am going to use code blocks. Dev C++ is a free, full-featured IDE distributed under the GNU General Public License for writing the programs, C++ programs. In fact, it has been written in Delphi. So I would suggest you that you go and download code blocks from the URL I have mentioned or from some other URL, because in this course of C++ programming, I am going to use code blocks.